I've basically seen in the last, the 15 years of my venture capitalist journey that investors tend to replace the founder, a technical founder, with a sales-centric CEO in anticipation of the sales-centric CEO to scale the company, and also making an assumption that a technical founder lacks the characteristics of scaling the company or building the business. And I think sometimes this could work out, but many a times this could actually turn out to be a failure, and you could actually see companies going under, right, because of this move. Because a sales guy, as a leader, does not understand the complexities of the product, does not understand many of the resources that are required, and the time that you require to produce the solution, right? And you could make wrong decisions, all keeping in mind mainly from a sales perspective, and that would backfire. And I have seen several companies actually going on, right, with a decision that the investors make in terms of bringing a sales-centric CEO. My recommendation, and the way I have worked, is to give a fair chance to the founder to see if the founder has the ability to pick up the business aspect and perhaps maybe even offset with another resource that can bring the business aspect of it. Because I think in today's world, a product-centric CEO or product-centric leadership is very important, because the markets are changing very fast, and a technology-centric product, obviously, there's a lot of technical elements to it. It's important to understand from a research and development perspective, productization perspective, and even customers are very, very technical today. So not everything is just driven only by sales aspect of it. So I think it's important from a VC perspective, right, to view this and do the changes appropriately, so that you have a founder, especially a passionate founder who is contributing significantly to the company, is also in the whole loop while you are making these changes, right? That's number one. And number two is using the outsource centers. So taking advantage of India or other countries, and at what stage of a startup company that you normally want to take advantage. So ultimately, it comes down to the company itself, the problem they are solving, and the kind of connections that the founder has in the country that he or she wants to go. So if somebody has deep connections with engineers, right, quality engineers in their country, then it's probably a good thing to start building up a team, right, in India or in other countries right from day one itself. But if you don't know the leaders, if you don't have a trusted person as a leader on the other side, you are probably better off actually starting the whole company here, building the resources, building the engineering team, bring the first product out to the market, and then start looking at opening up your outsource centers.